In this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can list products on eBay from CJ Dropshipping. I'm also going to show you guys how you can avoid eBay suspension, because a lot of new sellers, when they try to use dropshipping, they don't know exactly how to use it correctly, so they end up with a suspended account on eBay. So I'm going to be showing you guys my experience and how you can dropship correctly from CJ Dropshipping to eBay. Let's get started right now. The first thing you need to do, guys, you want to create an account on CJ Dropshipping. That's the first step. Okay, so you can create an account using your Facebook account, or you can use your email address. Okay, so after you create an account on CJ, now you just need to go and see their products. Okay, see what they are selling here, or like products that are available on CJ Dropshipping. Okay, you just need to see here all the products. Now the advantage of using CJ Dropshipping, of course, is the shipping time. Now they ship the products quickly, and also the handling time is going to be quicker than other competitors, I would say, like AliExpress. Even though I am still using AliExpress because of the profit margin and I like to do things manually, still, like, CJ Dropshipping really offers better experience. Okay, so now you just need to go to CJ, like I said, find products that you think you want to sell on eBay. But my strategy here is I always go to eBay and see what other people are selling. Like if they are selling, for example, a certain shoes, shoes, or say hoodies, or makeup products, I always try to find that exact product that they are selling on eBay. I try to find it on CJ Dropshipping. Okay, I always go to eBay and see what people are interested in. I always search for what people are interested in, and I try to find these products on CJ Dropshipping. That's exactly what I do, guys. Okay, so now you want to go to CJ, okay, and search for products that you want to import to your own eBay store. Now in my case, I'm going to import this product. I'm going to click on it. Now as you can see, this product costs like $4, and now let's see the shipping price. As you can see, this dollar costs like $4, as you can see. Now after you find the product that you want to import to your eBay, you just need to scroll down a little bit and click on list. Okay, so in the next page, guys, you can add here your store, like eBay store. Like if you haven't done that already, I'm going to show you guys how you can connect your eBay store to CJ. Now I'm going to close this. Now you want to go to your CJ Dropshipping, okay, account. I'm going to show you guys how you can connect your eBay store to CJ Dropshipping in a few seconds. Now after you are here on your CJ account, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on authorize. Okay, authorization, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. Here, as you can see, just need to click here on this icon, or this store, design store here, this icon here. Click on it, and then you want to click on eBay. Okay, so after, guys, you click on eBay, or you can click on authorization. Okay, or authorize. Okay, so after you are on this page, you want to click on add store, and it's going to take you guys directly to your eBay. Okay, it will take you guys so that you can give access to eBay to use CJ Dropshipping. Because I already linked my eBay account to this CJ account, it didn't take me to my eBay to give access, because I already gave access to CJ Dropshipping. Now, in your case, you just need to scroll down at the very bottom and click on grant access, and it's going to take you guys to this page where it will say authorization success. Okay, now after that, in the top, you want to search for products that you want to import to your eBay, or you can just click on something like you can list here, or it says list now here at the bottom, and now you will be able to find any product that you want, and you can list it on your eBay store. Now for my case, I'm going to, let's say that I want to import this product. Okay, now I'm going to, as you can see, this product, as you can see, now the product research I do, guys, I always copy this title and see if I can find other sellers that are selling this product. Okay, because that's way you can know if people on eBay are interested in this product or not. Okay, of course you can always list random products from CJ, but you have to do that many times so that you can see what works and what doesn't work. Why not just learn from other people, learn from their mistakes, and learn from their successful listings? If they have successful listings, that means they already listed many products, and now we end up with successful listings, and now we can remove the listings that don't work. Okay, or just leave them or just ignore them. Okay, so that's exactly my strategy. I always go and see what other people on eBay are selling, and I copy them. Okay, I try to find the products that they are selling on eBay, and I try to find them on CG and import them to eBay. By the way, you always have to change the title, like make it a little bit better, or if you can find this exact product on eBay, always copy the eBay title. Okay, on the product page on eBay, copy their title when you are trying to list the product. Now, if for example, let's say that this product, we found it on eBay and people are selling it, people on eBay are also interested in this product. Now I'm going to click on list. Okay, so after I click on list, then here, as you can see, you can change to your eBay store here, because I also linked my Shopify store to CG. Now here, like listing site US, the title, as you can see, you always have to make it better, or if you can see like someone selling the exact same product and they have some sales in their listings, then you want to copy their title, because that title is proven to work. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. You always have to change it. And after that, you want to scroll down, and here the category, it's already there, like home garden, as you can see, fragrances, home fragrances. Now here, the shipping method on eBay. Okay, so the shipping method I always like to use, for example, I'm going to show you guys the shipping method here. Okay, like e-packet or like eBay standard. Okay, you can also use, let's say, shipping method express. Like you can choose like shipping method that you want. Okay, so here you want to select manage eBay managed payments, which is Pioneer. Like if you live outside of the United States, you will have to connect your Pioneer account in order to receive payments. But if you live inside the United States, you can always receive payments to your debit card or bank account directly. Now the tax here, you just need to add here, for example, let's say egg cracker. Okay, because this is like related to the product. Okay, now after that, you want to click on list it now. Okay, now before you list it, you can always click on variant pricing, and you can, like, for example, here it says total dropshipping price. Now like CG Dropshipping will take $8 each time you sell this product. Now my price is going to be $15. I want to sell this for $15, and so that CG will take $8. I'm going to be left with around $7. Of course, eBay takes 13% of the sale, so just consider that. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now after that, you want to click also on images and videos, and you can then, for example, like deselect an image you don't want in your product page. Okay, now I'm going to select all these images, and here if you click on description, you can always like make some changes to the description if you want to do that. Okay, if you want to make it unique, just you can make some changes. After that, you want to click on list it now. Now a lot of, when I made like videos about how you can dropship from CG to eBay, a lot of people say they cannot list it now. It says like the selling limit, stuff like that. Now always good, like if that happens, you will have to connect your Pioneer account or bank account to your eBay. You will have to set up your eBay account, like you have to create a seller account. You have to convert your like account, your buyer account to a seller account. You can do that by trying to list a random product. It could be just a product from your house, or you can just come up with a random like product you don't even have, and just try to list that product. And at the very bottom, when you try to list the product, they will ask you guys to add your bank details and stuff like that. And that's exactly how you can create a seller account on eBay. Okay, that's exactly how you can do it. Now when you try to list it, when you click on list it, eBay will ask you guys to add your Pioneer account, and he will ask you guys to add your bank account if you live inside the United States. Okay, now after that, then you will be able to list products from CG Dropshipping. Okay, now also if the selling limit is very low on your eBay, it will say like the selling limit exceeds, like this product exceeds as you can see, it says here, make sure the total quantity of the product listed does not exceed the selling limit on your eBay, as products will be removed once inventory runs out. So make sure you increase the selling limit on your eBay. You can do that by calling eBay directly, or you can just send them a message. If you have like low selling limit, you can just scroll down at the very bottom here. I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. Just scroll down, and you want to click here, it says contact us. And after that, guys, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on contact us. and after that you want to click on selling, and you could just come up with anything here, doesn't really matter. Click on chat with our automated assistant, and here you can chat with a robot that will like connect you with a real person that will help you increase the selling limit on your eBay. Okay, so that's very important, guys, in order to list products from CG to eBay. Okay, if you have anything, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, I reply to everyone. Just let me know in the comments, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.